Usually after Noche Buena, ang daming leftover. So anong gagawin natin? Let's make creamy pesto pasta with leftover roasted chicken. Let's start cooking! So minsan kasi sa bahay, may mga leftovers. Ayaw mo namang masayang, pero you don't want to eat it the way it was prepared in the first place. And ito siya, laging may roasted chicken. And ito, what we will do, we will just shred the chicken into pieces. A meal in itself for a quick dinner after Christmas and before New Year. Or even after New Year, pag marami din tayong leftovers after medianoche, we just shred our chicken. Ganyan. Ito, hindi ko na isasama yung skin. Alam mo, we need protein in our diet. So yung protein lahat dito, kukunin ko. And add it to my pasta dahil ang pasta is carbs. And very simple, no? What we will do, we will saute some garlic. No? Gusto natin ng garlic flavor, eh. I'm adding the garlic even before siya uminit, no? Para hinay-hinay, ma-infuse yung garlic flavor dito sa ating oil. One of the simplest things you can do, you can also add mushrooms here if you want. Kung seafood naman yung natira sa'yo, kung shrimp siya, just peel off the shrimps. And we will add our chicken, saute our chicken, to revive the chicken. Ito, a little bit of pasta water. Let's add our pesto. Sobrang easy. Once your chicken is heated through, we will add cream. I'm using some cooking cream or all-purpose cream. Mix, mix, mix. And add my pasta. Sobrang dali. I would also add chili flakes here. Masarap siya na konting spicy. But sobrang simple lang na preparation that you can do with your leftovers from Christmas. Still feel festive, pero wala ka na masyadong hinandang iba, no? Just making use of your leftovers. Very nice, no? And a bit of Parmesan cheese. Season with a bit of salt. Konting salt lang, no? Depending on the flavor of your pesto. Black pepper. And we're done. Be sure that your pasta is heated through. You can also add some chopped nuts. So when you're cooking your pasta and you plan to recook it like this, dapat less than al dente. Al dente, pag you're going to serve it right away. But in this case, kasi inuto natin yung pasta, then lulutuin pa natin sa sauce, 2 minutes before siya ma-fully cook, tanggalin mo na siya sa water niya. Para dito na siya lulutuin hanggang al dente. Because if you cook it here, and al dente na siya, hindi na siya al dente after, overcooked na siya. My pasta is now cooked, heated through, al dente. Check if al dente. Very nice. You can add capers, olives, chili flakes, or whatever. And, eto, hindi na sayang ang aking, what is this? Roasted chicken, ating lechong manok. Biglang naging part ng aking new pasta dish. Yan. Perfect for dinner, a quick lunch. Add some nuts for texture. Add some Parmesan cheese. And eto siya, hindi to leftover. Meron talaga ako nito. Fresh basil. Yan. So if you have, may pananim kayo sa bahay na mga fresh herbs, add it there. And look at that. And now it's time for me to taste. Pero gusto ko nito spicy. Perfect! Creamy. You taste the basil. Garlicky with the added garlic natin. And of course, the chunky chicken bits makes it very satisfying. Complete meal. And here it is, our discarte recipe for today. Ating creamy pesto pasta with roasted chicken. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!